In a world drowned by chaos, where the storm silenced everything, one heartbeat refused to fade.
It just doesn't get any better than this.
Yeah. No, it really doesn't. Cooper, stop barking! We have to go now! Just leave him! Get the last bag in the trunk!
Cooper, go find help!
Somebody please help us! We can't get out!
Watch your step now. Easy does it. We've got you both. You're safe now. Hold on tight. We've got you.
Thank you so much!
All right, secure the dog and let's move out. All right, grab my hand. You're safe now.
Oh, thank goodness. Thank you both.
Give me your hand.
We got you. Steady now. You're almost there.
We're at the vehicle, securing the line. All right, man, we're coming in.
It's okay, sweetheart. You're both safe now.
We're here to help you and Cooper. Let's get you two out of here.
Help! Over here! We're coming!
Thank heavens! What a brave dog! Help us!
Thank you for bringing us here safely.
Please protect us from the water.
Over here. We're safe.
Oh, thank you, thank you!
Easy now. We got him. He's safe.
Thank you! Oh, thank you so much! As the recovery efforts continue, we want to highlight one incredible story of survival.
On this beautiful evening, we dedicate this monument to peace and resilience. May it stand as a symbol for all who call Bay Ridge home.
Some heroes wear uniforms. Others carry hope in their hearts.